Hey everybody, my name is Summer. Welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. I am so excited to share one of my very favorite products with you. I use it every single day when I get ready and I get questions about it all the time. So I'm going to tell you all about my baby, my favorite thing in the world, besides my family, of course. But it is the Riki Tall Mirror. I kind of think everybody needs one and I am about to tell you exactly why. So I am so excited to talk to you guys about this. I love sharing the things that make my life easier, make my business easier, and just kind of bring me joy. And this is one of those things. So this is the Riki Tall Mirror. That's the name of the actual product. It is made by a company called GLAMCOR. They produce professional makeup lighting. They have handheld mirrors. They have travel mirrors. They've got giant mirrors. They've got bigger vanities. And this is just one of the products that they carry. It's one of the newer mirrors that they have out. And I get questions about it all the time. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through some of my favorite things about it, all the features, so that you can make a decision if it's something that you wanted to get for yourself. I know Christmas is coming up. They've got Black Friday sales happening. So this is the time to snag one if you were ever going to do it. Let's talk details of the mirror. It is a really nice size. It is 28 inches high by 20 inches wide, and it's only 3/8 of an inch deep. So the mirror itself is actually super thin, and it comes in this little stand right here. It's clear plexiglass and it doesn't take up much room at all. I have plenty of room to get ready at my desk without worrying about it wobbling or falling over. It's really sturdy, or I can sit it over there in front of the window on my bank of drawers. It's just a great size, and here's why having such a big mirror is really fantastic. It spreads out the lights. You don't get the rays of the lights in your photos or in your videos. So for me, that's a really awesome feature, to have it nice and wide. I've got plenty of space to work on my hair, work on my makeup. It comes with these two attachments that attach to the mirror with a magnet, which is so cool. You don't have to have anything separate. All the supplies that you need to do your selfies, to do your videos, come right here. So this is a magnifying mirror. And like I said, it's got these magnets on the back, and there's several places where you can hook up the mirror. So there's one right here. There's a set of magnets. You could do the magnets in the middle, or you can do the magnets at the bottom. So there's 3 different sections. Now I can have my magnifying mirror on it while using my selfie holder. So using my phone holder. That's another reason why having a large mirror is really great. When you have just the small travel mirror, you only have room for one thing to be attached, but I can attach 2 items at one time with the larger mirror. The cell phone holder is fantastic. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and I even have a case with a loopy on the back, and it still fits really nicely into the holder. It doesn't pop out. I don't have to worry about it falling. It's like in there really sturdy. Now, if I wanted to take a landscape photo or video, all I have to do is rotate the holder, and I could do that as well. So it's really versatile. I can do it from up high. I can take this down. I could put my phone down a little bit lower. You can do it however you want. So I love that I can just quickly switch and rearrange. When I have customers over looking at makeup, I can throw this on there for my women who are a little bit more mature and need to see closer. This is a really great option. Another great feature about the Riki Tall is that it comes with a remote control. Now this remote control hooks up to the mirror. It can power it on and off. It can turn the lights up and down. It can also connect with your phone and take a picture or start your video using the Bluetooth feature right here. So just be careful because it is nice and tiny. I like to keep it in my drawers so I don't lose it. But this is great if you're taking photos of products, or you're taking photos of your hairstyle or makeup. You don't have to be standing right in front of the mirror. You can back up if you want and take a picture using this. Another thing that I use all the time, pretty much every single time that I use this mirror, is the built-in USB cable attachment in the back. So I can power my phone while I'm recording or while I'm going live, and it actually charges super fast. It charges faster than my normal wall units do, so I usually reach for this anytime I charge my phone, even if I can go to an outlet, because this just does it so much faster. Let's talk about lights. So it has a ton of lights and they're small, so it's nice. You're not having big, huge bulbs that you have to replace. They're all built in, and they have 5 different lighting settings. So it's just a simple little button right here, and I just tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the brightest. So it gets nice and bright. You could do a lower setting for daytime, you could do a higher setting for evening, and you guys, like I said, I love this mirror so much. It came packed up really, really nicely in this giant box. It's like bigger than I am. I mean, look, it doesn't even fit in the frame. This is the box that it came in. So it's like packed in here, so secure. I didn't have any damage on my mirror when it came. It retails for $495. It's on sale for under $400 right now for Black Friday. So I would just keep an eye. Occasionally they do a sale that's about 20% off. The holidays are 25% off, and that is the least expensive I have ever seen it. So I would run and get one for the holidays. If you are a guy watching this and you've got a girlfriend who loves makeup, holy smokes, you would be like the savior of the holidays or birthday or anniversary if you were to get your significant other this mirror, because I could not do without it. Now, I want to hear from you guys in the comments. I know that this is a pricier beauty item. It retails for just under $500, but do you feel like this would be worth it if you don't have it? And if you do have it, do you love it and feel like you're getting your money's worth? I personally absolutely 100% would not recommend something that I didn't think was meeting its value, but I'm interested to hear from you guys. For those of you who don't have it, do you think you'd spend this much on a mirror if you had it? Or do you think that it's something you can live without? Tell me in the comments. I'll be back soon to talk to you about the travel version of this mirror, because I love that one as well. I just use this one every single day at home. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.